The mind-body problem. Rene Descartes once questioned his own existence, and after a lot of thought, he soon realized that by questioning this, it was actually proof that he did exist. Just thinking about his own existence means he must exist. So he came to the conclusion, I think, therefore I am. And this was the beginning of the mind-body problem. He created what is known as substance dualism. This is the belief that the world is both physical and mental, and the mind and body are separate substances. A type of dualism is interactionism. Interactionism is the belief that the mind and body do have an effect on each other. When the body does an action, such as hitting its knee on the table, it sends a message to the mind that that was painful. The body's experience is sending mental messages to the mind that that hurt. Our physical states can have an effect on our mental states. Unlike interactionism, epiphenomenalism is the belief that physical feelings can cause mental states, but mental states do not cause physical states. For example, if I'm feeling sleepy and I yawn, this is because my physical body is tired, but not because I'm thinking that I am tired. Baruch Spinoza did not agree with Descartes that the mind and body were separate. He believed that the mind and body were separate entities, but that they belonged to the same thing. For example, a bird has two separate wings, but both wings are a part of the same bird. His theory was called double aspectism, which is the idea that our emotions and thoughts do have an effect on our bodies, so they cannot be separate. He believed that God was nature, and nature was both matter and thought. Nicolas Malebranche did agree with Descartes that his mind and body were separate entities, but he did not believe that they collaborated with each other. His idea is called occasionalism, and this is the belief that God knows when a person wants to move their body, so, on the occasion, he intervenes to make this happen. Gottfried Leibniz didn't believe in dualism or occasionalism. He didn't believe that the physical could affect anything mental, and he rejected the idea that divine intervention was the reason the body moved. He didn't think God would be able to constantly intervene. So he suggested the idea of pre-established harmony. He said that God created the world to be in perfect harmony, but that nothing could change anything else, and used the analogy of two clocks. He said two clocks side by side set at the same time may be in harmony together, but they do not interact with each other. They only work together side by side. So what are your thoughts? Can the mind exist without the body, or are they two wings of the same bird?